These prompts are a great starting point for engaging with ChatGPT. 1. Deep dive into a topic. Prompt: act as an expert on subject. Explain the key concepts in detail and provide real-world examples to illustrate each one. 2. Personalized learning plan. Prompt: help me create a personalized learning plan for mastering subject. Break it down into daily tasks, suggest relevant resources, and include practical exercises to build my skills effectively. 3. Critical thinking challenge. Prompt: present me with a series of thought-provoking questions on subject. After I respond, provide feedback on my answers and suggest ways to enhance my critical thinking skills related to this topic. 4. Socratic Dialogue. Engage me in a Socratic dialogue about concept. Ask questions that prompt me to explore deeper layers of this idea and refine my understanding step by step. 5. Overview of a topic. I'm new to topic and would like a comprehensive introduction. Please cover its foundational concepts, historical background, evolution over time, key components, and some common applications in today's world. 6. Practical application guide. Explain how I can apply the concepts of subject in real life. Provide specific scenarios or projects where I can implement this knowledge effectively. 7. Debate preparation. Help me prepare for a debate on topic. Present me with arguments for both sides along with counter-arguments so I can understand the nuances and strengthen my position. 8. Problem-solving framework. Walk me through a structured problem-solving framework for tackling challenges in subject. Include examples of how to apply each step effectively. 9. Learning from mistakes. Share common mistakes people make when learning about subject and how to avoid them. Provide guidance on how to learn from these errors to improve my understanding. 10. Future trends and implications. Discuss the future trends related to the topic. What developments should I be aware of, and how might they impact the field or my understanding of it? 11. Comparison and contrast. Compare and contrast concept A and concept B. Highlight their similarities and differences and explain why understanding both is important. 12. Resource recommendations. Recommend books, articles, online courses, or other resources for deepening my understanding of the subject. Include a brief description of each resource and how it can help me. These prompts should provide a diverse set of tools for exploring various subjects deeply, improving your skills, and engaging in meaningful discussions.